Ulit.
Sige, ulit.
Hello guys, may abuuhin akong bundok.
Gamit.
Gagamitin ko. Kailangan ko tanggalin to. Alagay. Yeah! Meron pala dito. Ang bait mo pala. Saan yun? Ito? Oh, malapit. Okay. Gamitin ko yan.
Ano yung ginamit mo? Ano yan?
Pantanggal ng mga Lego. Okay, hindi na natin ito gagamitin. O kasi.
Ano yung ginagawa mo? Binabaklas mo?
Yung mga binuo ko dati. Ano ba yan? Nasa yung pala ko? I don't hold you. Just like it's fine. It's the word was ending. I wanna be next to you. Oh, I just as a dream. That's you are another life. Wherever you go, just where I follow. Nobody's panic tomorrow. And I reflected last night. It's the world was ending. I wanna be next to you. It's the party was over, and I'm next to you. And I told you just tonight, and time with us by. It's the world was ending. I wanna be next to you. Hello, ito na ang ating floor. Kaya abuuhin ko na yung bundok. I just wanna says you are, salai. Wherever you go, that's where I follow. Nobody's panic tomorrow. The last time, like it's the last time. It's the world was ending. I wanna be next with you. It's the world was ending. I wanna be next with you. I never hold you just a lie. And such a smile. It's the world was ending. I wanna be next to you. Okay, guys.
Ano naman yung gawa mo?
Wala. Wala. Kasi lahat ay gamitin ko. Lahat ng blocks. No. Kasi malaki itong multi na to. Maglalagay pa ako ng mining card. Mining card? Ano yun? Mining card. Yung nagamit sa mga mine. Yung parang pa-slide.
Sige, pakita mo yan mamaya pagtapos.
Okay.